Hello, young people. Many of you who are listening to the story must surely be thinking that Women's Day is meant for mummies and aunties and teachers and perhaps your principals. But that really is not the case. I quote Mother Teresa, and she says, I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. On this Women's Day, let's have a look at some women, some young girls and females creating ripples across the world with their creativity, with their passion, with their knowledge, with their perseverance and their hard work. They're doing amazing things with a lot of passion, and let's look at the diversity, the diverse things that they're doing and enjoying themselves at the same time too. There is this 4-year-old Shalaka Sanju who started showing a talent for drawing at just 8 months. Her mother gave her some crayons and she drew wonderful drawings right at kindergarten school. Her mother used to take her to rhyme sessions at a library, and this little girl would just listen to those rhymes and fill up the drawing sheet with her creativity and wonderful, awesome drawings. Then, of course, there is Purna, the girl who in 2014 became the youngest female to scout Mount Everest, to scale Mount Everest at 13 years of age when she unfurled the Indian national flag at the world's highest peak. She was among the 150 children who were chosen for an adventure sports by the Andhra Pradesh Social Welfare Residential Education Society. 20 of them were selected for the training program, and only 2 went on to take part in the Everest expedition, and Purna was one of those 2 who climbed the Everest. Isn't that wonderful? Then let's listen to the tale of Shalini Kumari, the 12-year-old young girl from Patna. What did she do? She designed a beautiful walker for the physically challenged. Now, Walker Children is a device which enables those people who are not able to walk around or move around freely to be able to get some movement. Now, Shalini was very moved by the plight of her grandfather, who, due to an accident, could not climb stairs. He had a walking aid, but that did not help him to climb the stairs. So she made an adjustable walker, which had all those springs and locking devices in front legs and back legs and so on. And she made it and sent this idea to the National Innovations Foundation, for which she received the National Innovation Award from the President of India at that time, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And of course, back home, she received a lot of hugs from her family and especially her grandfather. Then, of course, there is this 8-year-old Lisipriya Kangujam. She's one of the youngest climate activists. What do we mean by climate activists? Well, that means that she has studied and she speaks a lot about no garbage, recycle plastic. She talks to people, to adults, and says that even if they don't listen, I will carry on speaking. And for this, she was even awarded the World Children's Peace Prize. And her views are much listened to at national and international conferences. Then there is this wonderful girl from Kerala, just 10-year-old Sanvi, and you know what she did? In the span of an hour, meaning within an hour, she made some wonderful 33 delicious dishes like idli, uttapam, mushroom tikka, papri chaat, waffles, fried rice, and so many more. And she got into the Asia Book of Records. Well, isn't that diverse? Isn't that so different? But so worthy of applauding. Then there is Namya Joshi, a class 7 student from Ludhiana. Her mother was the IT teacher in a school and she saw this video game, Minecraft, on her mother's laptop. And that gave her the idea that why not change this game into a learning device? So through this game, this 13-year-old is still helping teachers convert their classroom lessons into interactive sessions across the world. And this young girl has trained 100 teachers in her own schools and God knows how many more outside her school. So you see, children, age has nothing to do with women power. Wishing all of you young listeners a happy Women's Day. More power to you and lots of love and hugs to you as you go ahead in life, making your parents, grandparents, aunts and uncles so very proud of you. Happy Women's Day!